They say, we can't even imagine how fast the world is changing. We say, we're already building what the world's still imagining. AI that doesn't replace people, it elevates them. Talent drain doesn't scare us. We're creating ecosystems people want to grow in. And the future? We're not waiting for it. We're designing it, innovating, architecting, leading. We don't follow trends. We set them. We don't outsource brilliance. We grow it, nurture it, locally, globally, relentlessly. TMC isn't just a company, it's a vision, a mindset, a force for the future. So, if you're thinking what's next, come build it with us.